Now we reach a part module and select one plane, any one plane. Choose okay, front plane, sketch. Now we are in plane, so this is sketch. Now we will see, this is the slot. See, there are 4 types of slot. We will see each and every one. Single slot, center point slot, 3 arc point and center point. First we will see straight slot. Select straight slot and click any place. Then select next point and just take mouse away and click. Now it is your straight slot created. Okay, if you want to give dimension, you can change both the dimension. Just simply click, make 30 mm. Okay, this vertical, this horizontal distance, make 80 mm. Okay, so now you change your slot. This is simple and straight slot. We will see next slot, center point straight slot. Now in this straight slot, select one point and drag it. So see, both direction it will expand. If you will expand in one direction, it will expand in both directions. Then click and take away mouse and see, it is created. If you want to see dimension, then click here, add dimension. If you will remove this, okay, so possibly it will not show the dimension. See, it is not showing the dimension. If you will uncheck this add dimension, okay, the same as here, you can just click on that and change the dimension 20 mm and this one make 50 mm. Okay, now let's see third one. Third one is 3-point arc slot. This is very interesting. You have to just select one point, choose another point and make any kind of circle, half circle or any kind of shape. Okay, and just drag. See, even you can make a half circle. Now see, it is become half circle. Click OK. Now simply you can adjust. If you want to change dimension, just click radius, change dimension 20 mm. Then if you want to change this radius, select 80 mm. You see, it is bigger. So everything you can change, it's up to you. So this is the third one slot, and we will see center point arc slot. This is fifth one. Actually, in this thing, we have to create a slot with the help of, let's try first. Select one here, then choose another point and drag it either this side. Click OK and take away. See, it is created. It is very simple. Right, one click, second click, and third click, and take it out. See, it is created. Now simply change the dimension, change the radius, everything. Okay, see, it is changed. Change the radius, maybe 50 mm. That's it. This is the fourth one, center point arc slot. So these are the easiest work. It makes your work very easy. Now let's see circles. There are 2 types of circle. One circle, any point select and drag it and make the circle. Choose the smart dimension and type any direct 100 mm. Okay, now change the dimension. Any point select circle, or any point you can draw a circle. It is very simple. Now the next point is premier circle. We will create one center point. Now we will understand. Select perimeter circle. In this circle we will select the side. One side, second side, and third is up to you. If you will select this line, then it will be tangent in all the walls. If you will select this line, then it will tangent this. If you will select this, then it will tangent too. So we will select this line. See, now it is tangent in 3 planes. That's why it is called 3-point perimeter circle. 3-point circle.